was guilty with nothing to say, and they were coming to take me away. And then a voice from heaven was heard and said, "Let him go. Take me, and I should have been crucified. I should have suffered and died. I should have hung on that cross in His place, but Jesus, God's Son, took my place. A crown of thorns, a spear deep in His side, and all the pain that should have been mine. Those rusty nails was meant for you and me. Yet Christ took them to carry.